Akiaria ari thibitari-ini wa Nairobi hindi ya kuruguria unyitaniri wa thirikari na thibitari cia andu kiumbe hari kuheana motungata magaciru ma ugima wa mwiri guku bururi-ini, MINISTA wa ugima wa mwiri DUALE niraniire wirutiri wa thirikari hari gutigirira mukenya wothe ni arahota gukinyira motungata ma urigitani rungu rwa mubango wa SHA hatari na mihinga.
What we signed is a subsidized SHA package tariffs that those services will be offered at Nairobi Hospital.
Ihinda-inĩ riu DUALE ni arugoririe mashini ya kiriu ya CT scan iria irahuthira teknoloji ya AI na iria irihuthikaga kurigita mirimu iria itagwatanagio.
If it is kidney transplant, if it's oncology, Kenyans who maybe you could not have walked to Nairobi Hospital because of their level of income now have an opportunity, and that's why we are all of us here.
Ikinya riri akiuga ni rinyitite baru mogaruruku maria matafanitio sekta-ini ya ugima wa mwiri.
And we signed a deal, and it's a deal that's according to the SHA tariffs that have been gazetted. And so thank you so much, colleagues. We really will work with you to implement our memorandum of understanding. The Nairobi Hospital is already part of the empaneled facilities in SHA.
Urugamiriri wa thibitari wa Nairobi ni wiranire unyitaniri WAYO na Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri hamwe na ruhonge rwa SHA niguo gutigirira mathibitari maya ni maheana motungata ma gikiro kia iguru guku bururi-ini.
For our elderly patients with metal implants, this results in very clear, more accurate images that reduce the need for invasive follow-up procedures.
DUALE ni ongereire kuga unyitaniri uyu kuhitukira mubango wa SHA na lipa SHA polepole ni ukuhuthia murigo uria arwaru makuithagia andu a family na garama nene ya marihi ma thibitari.
We have come here to ink to an agreement, a collaboration, a firm framework between the Social Health Authority and the Nairobi Hospital in order to make Nairobi Hospital one of our premier medical institution for Kenyans to access at an affordable rate at a quality healthcare service.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.